Hello and welcome to another CF Power Scripts tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ProfitWell into your funnels at ClickFunnels to reduce the churn rate of your subscription-based business and also to provide users with an option to update their credit card when it's about to expire, thanks to ProfitWell's features. Now, as always, in order to get started, you will need to log into your CF Power Scripts account. And once you're there, head from the dashboard to the Power Script section. If you're using the same Stripe account for all of your funnels, you can add the ProfitWell Power Script straight globally to all of your funnels at once. Otherwise, it makes more sense to add it specifically to each funnel where you want to use ProfitWell features. And as always, in my case, I'm going to pick our development funnel for this demo. In order to add the ProfitWell Power Script, all you need to do is click on Add New, search for ProfitWell, click on the script, and you'll see that we have to fill in a few settings. For that, you will need to log in at ProfitWell and there go to Retain and Control Center, and you'll see a page that will look similar to this. Now here we'll need to find the ProfitWell snippet section and click on View Instructions and simply scroll down to the code section. And from here, all you need to copy is the data PW auth part, so the password authentication, which is a string full of random characters and numbers. And once you've copied that, head back to CF Power Script and paste it into the password field. Now, in addition to that, you will need to choose if you want to show the ProfitWell fly-ins only on your membership area funnel steps or on all your funnel steps. If you are already familiar with the ProfitWell features, there you have fly-ins that inform users that their card is about to expire, that their payments failed, and even a lockout screen that prevents people from accessing their content when their subscription has been canceled, that tells them to update their credit card so they can get access again. Now, if you don't restrict the fly-ins to the membership area funnel steps, it will happen that people come to your opt-in or sales page or order form funnel step and they will see a fly-in that tells them to update their card, that their payment has failed, or even worse, if you're using the lock screen feature, it would overlay your sales page and people would not be able to consume or read your content. So in 99% of the cases, you want to enable that feature here to ensure that only within the membership area, people see the fly-ins for updating their credit card, failed payments, and when they are logged out. Now, once you click Add Script, you're pretty much done here. And what you can do now from one of your funnel steps, click on the icon next to it, click on Open Live Funnel Step, and copy the funnel step URL. Once you've done that, go back to ProfitWell, scroll all the way up, and enter the URL here and click on Test. Now, ProfitWell is going to verify that you've added the script properly, and once it's done that, it will look something like this. And if you haven't activated the retain feature so far, they will reach out to you to confirm with you that you want to activate it, and it may take a couple of hours before it actually goes live. That's it. That's how easy you can add ProfitWell to your funnels. And thanks to the Power Script, it will be active on all your funnel steps. So you can also use the ProfitWell engagement statistics, which will show you which of your users are active and which of your users are at risk of churning in the future. So who you should theoretically reach out to get them to use your service, course, or training again. Now, as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, don't forget to check out our FAQ. And if you cannot find the answer there, either create a post within our Facebook group, or if you're a member of our VIP plan, text us within the Slack application that is available to you. Thanks for watching, and even more so, thanks for using CF Power Scripts. See you in one of our other tutorials. Till then, bye-bye.